Hello and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can create a Twitch account. So all you want to do is go to the Twitch website. Once you're in the Twitch website, you've got all these stuff. You want to make your account, you want to head over to this top and then press on that sign up button, just like that, voila. And then we'll sign up. Noob Gamer 62. Alright, 420. Noob Gamers 420. Even that's not available. Alright. Noob Gamers 49. Yeah, that's available. So, now, just give me a second. Alright, we got our password as well. We're just gonna confirm this. With the password confirmed, let's just select a date of birth. And then we just want to use our email instead. Now remember, we do have our email, which is this one. We're just gonna pop in this email and that's gonna be it. It's just gonna make sure that we're not a bot, and then it's gonna send us a confirmation email, and there you go, confirmation emails right there, and then boom, we just got our Twitch account. That being said, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If y'all did, drop a like, hit that subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss the future uploads. Till next time, see ya.